Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can access and use the color picker tool in the Pixlr Photo Editor. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to your image or photo editing project on Pixlr, and let's assume you have a photo like this here, and let's say you add a shape, and now you'd like to apply the color of one of that, for example, of that photo or image. This is how you can do it, guys. All you need to do is simply use the color picker tool here to the left. You may also use the shortcut I for that. And after that, simply click into the position of the color. As you can see, the cursor will change its color of the given area. So it can go with this color, and after that, the color will also be applied to that color tool here, so that you may use it, for example, the number here, the hex number, for example, or simply use that applied color for shapes you draw afterwards, for example, through additional layers, guys. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.